Oh, there we go. I got it working. All right, so this is where we're gonna be set up.
I just sent you a text.
What kind of text?
You'll see it in a second. I sent a group text.
All right, this is Colton.
Everyone here.
Say hi. What are you doing? Stop being afraid of the woods. It's not that bad.
Oh wait,
Come on.
you won't get it until you go home.
And then this is Sebastian. Josh. And then that's Alex and Ian.
What'd you do?
All right. All right, so we're gonna need to get some wood for the fire, guys. So if we can spread out.
Where do you see a fire?
And we're gonna start a fire. And you know what? Since you're so scared, you can go with Sebastian. Yeah? Yeah? Okay.
Good luck, buddy. Ah! Use your goddamn wood.
Who are you?
Well, from what I can tell, he's dead. Well, guys, I have some good news and bad news. Bad news, James is dead. Good news, I found the stick. What did it look like? Well, it looked like his neck had its period. Guys, I know what we have to do. Follow me. So full of bullshit. I have a stick. Follow me. Seems legit.
Well, I got a big stick.
Oh shit, he has a bigger stick. Double trip.
I got my 2 trees to protect me.
Should have come with me in my biggest stick. Throw it in the mouth.
Come on, sweetie. Let's go. Let's go. Come on.
I won, because I got the big stick. Oh, what the fuck?
How the hell? You should never reveal his secrets.
Bitch.
Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. He's over here! Do you want to die out here, Josh? No. I'm not going to die out here. Neither are you. You might die out here. But it is for the greater good. Do you want to sacrifice yourself for the greater good? Well, you don't get a choice, because here he is. Oh, shit. Didn't think that's what they're helping. Ah!
Ah! No! No, please, no!
Do it! No! Yeah! Kill him! Is he gonna get me? Ah! Oh. Fuck. Fuck. Ah! I am better than that Billy Club wielding asshole.